This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns not Pyramid not. Brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Not the result we expected. Nerenal maybe since last week.
Yeah.
There we lost to TP Mazembe.
Yes. You
I
thought
thought
maybe come
maybe
back and yeah.
yes.
and
I
something,
thought
yeah.
I thought that, but then things went south today. But it's okay. We don't have to beat Pyramid at home to qualify for the next
Next round.
next round. Yes, we will still going to continue that. It was a big game.
Yeah.
You can see because they're closing all the pockets. Because we play from the back and then we find the pockets from the middle field and then they're closing that. They come with a defensive mentality.
Yeah, but you are supposed to expect that because of that they are coming from outside and they know how dangerous you are.
Yeah.
So they would make sure that they play low block and make sure that they counter you when the opportunity arises.
Yes, but yeah, we can say we're expecting that, but then maybe their intensity to go that it was far-fetched from what we anticipated. So, but then it's a good game, good game of football. We know we're still going to qualify.
Yeah.
For the next round.
Yeah.
There's nothing we can do with the results. Next game, work harder than this game.
Yeah.
Try to collect enough points. So it's like that. We cannot say like this. We drew at home. We cannot say we cannot jump and say Coach Real is the problem. Blah blah blah. No. We take one game at a time.
Yeah.
But what I know where we are standing now, like this season.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe by other chances we cannot win it.
Yeah.
But my prediction is that we are going to win the Champions League this season without any problem because these group stages they don't really define your end in the tournament because you can check how early you can beat them in the group stages, but then when it's final, they're going to come back.
Like last season, remember you won all the games.
Yes.
And you never lose any game, but then you couldn't go to the final.
You understand? So losing in the group stage is not really something we can say we are not going to qualify for the next round or we are not going to win. No, we are still going to win the Champions League this season without any problem. Coach Rulani, we know we love you.
Yeah.
We believe in you, and then you give us back the results. So thank you, Masandawana. The weather is not fine today, but still we managed to come in numbers so that we can support the boys. Thank you very much, Nobo.
Thank you, my brother. All the best in future.
Please follow Nobo in
YouTube
channel. You understand?
Thank you, my brother. Hola.